so I will be showing you how to fix an extension. I'll be showing you how to fix an extension on your hair, and today I have this very powerful extension from Natural Hair Kenya. And just for records, this video is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. I'm just showing you just in case you're interested and you don't know where to get an extension. So this is all I got. It is as new. I've not used it before. And here. And we are doing this again with our flat twist outs. Is it like that or like this? Yes, like this. Using these clips, you fix on your hair. This other one, fix it. You can also have lines. Just use what you have. I'm just showing you this so that you don't have to feel so weird that now you have your flat twist outs, but you cannot go out without a wig. The clips are very nice. They even have this, and then the ends are not as sharp. So you won't be like hurting your scalp when you're fixing them. And then they're very soft towards the end. So even as you like when I'm doing this, I can't feel anything. So the ends are very soft. I do like that. I fix it on this line, and then using this, I fix it here on that line, and then another one here, another one there, and this one here. What else? This one, we will fix it here. And then let me look around if I have another one I don't have. So let me fix this one here, and this one there. Then using this one, I'll fix this one here, this one there. This one is coming off. And let's see. This one here. There. And there. Oof. This one here and there.